Welcome to summer and the Sea Glass Collectors course. I've created a beautiful, rich mini course for you, and it is this image right here of a woman and a child collecting sea glass. And you can adapt it and change it any way you like. The pattern is included in the course, and it's on sale right now until Sunday. We're going to give you a reduced price. The course is $39.95 instead of $49.95, and it includes the pattern. This course is called the Sea Glass Collectors, and it's a step-by-step how-to. So I'll hook the whole rug with you throughout the course in a series of videos for you. So join me. I thought it might be a good idea to have a second project for 10 minutes a day because so many of you are finishing the first project a lot more quickly than we expected. So Sea Glass Collectors, it's a mini course from Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio, and it's available now for $39.95, and that includes your downloadable pattern. Kits and patterns on linen are also available. Join me now and get the sale price until Sunday. See ya.